CANBUS Ready 7440 LED bulb with built-in resistor, solve the decoding problems of 95% vehicles. Perfectly fits for front, rear turn signals, no more having to hack your wiring to ensure you avoid bulb out warnings, no more hyperflash. Light up the road. Each 7440 bulb has 24 PCs high-quality LED chips. 24W, 2400 lumens, truly 300% brighter than halogen bulb. Fit size, 7440, 7440A 7440L 7440NA 7440LL 7441W21W WY21W. Much brighter, which makes it easier to see when you're turning. High-tech Cooling System New Gerneration LASFIT 7440 T20 Bulb features something called the Intelligent Temperature Control System or ITCS. It features layers of design that keep this bulb cool on the hottest of days, long lifespan to accompany you on longer journeys. Drive safely. Load mini fuses as a core part of this bulb's foundation. Protect the bulbs and your cars against the instantaneous high current. You will experience greater safety from a brighter light, better performance through its unique design. 1-year warranty. 365 days hassle-free warranty with U.S. local customer support. Notice: these 7440 amber bulbs are polarity sensitive. If the LED does not light up after inserting, simply remove it, flip the direction and reinstall. Top reviews from the United States. Best LED bulbs in the industry. Greatest bulbs money can buy. Yes, they might be expensive, but they will last for a long time. Also, no error messages in most modern vehicles, which is a big plus.